Hey, what's going on? James Bill here. First of all, let's go ahead and do some housekeeping. Go ahead and click on the red button, and that'll get you subscribed to my channel because I'm going to be coming at you with more tips and strategies to help you succeed online, guys. My number one tip I want to share with you today: if you're going to sustain your business and continue to grow online, continue to make money, what you're going to have to do, guys, is simply these two things, and keep that in mind. Number one, you must have two main streams of traffic. One's going to be free and one's going to be paid. And what I mean by that is you can easily get your free traffic on something like Facebook and stuff like that, and Twitter. That's all kind of ways you can post free ads on social media, and that's cool. But that's slow organic traffic. It's going to take a little while. And the second method for advertisement is for your traffic is going to be paid, and you're gonna have to pay. Because what this does, guys, this gets money, eyeballs to your business, and money flowing at a fast pace. And that's where I'm sure you want to be. So remember that you're going to have to do one paid and one free. So go ahead and learn you a free method, whether it's YouTube, Twitter, blogging, whatever. You just stick with it and master that. And then you go ahead and do some paid traffic, because you're going to have that to get your business up and running at a fast pace. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Have a good day. By the way, go ahead and click on the link below, and we'll get you some more training and tips and strategies, guys. God bless.